we are talking about the energy. Everything is being governed in this universe by energy. For example, we are also being governed by the energy. You might be seeing over here that this is our body, and there are 7 major chakras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with different names. Some of you might be aware of the names of the chakras also. These are the pillars or the transformers working in our body. And this energy is further divided into positive and negative, and female, yin and yang in Chinese. So whatever I wanted to say, that our body, our system is totally based on energy. Whatever we are eating is being converted into in different forms and creating energy in our body. If our system is not working, then it is creating problem. So, with Reiki power, this power can be obtained from a Reiki master or a Grand Master who has the power to transfer the power. Up till now, Reiki was only with the gurus and the disciples. In the ancient period, it was with the gurus and disciples. It was only in 1860 that Dr. Mikao Sai, who was a physician and surgeon in Japan, came to know when he was delivering a lecture in the university on the spiritualism that there is some power of touch and heal therapy which existed in India too. But because of invasions, from time to time, the knowledge lapsed and spread to the other countries. Even during the Buddha regime, it was spreading like anything at that time, but it also went outside to Japan, Korea, China, America, and they are doing wonderful. In Japan, as we are having doctors in our all states, RMP doctors or other doctors, like this there are Reiki clinics in Japan, America and many other countries, because the people are fed up from the medicine, and this treatment, Reiki treatment, is a therapy without medicine. This is a treatment without medicine. As you know, that when we come from a very scorching heat and we are sweating, naturally we feel sweating, and we come inside the room, it may be AC room or the fan may be there, and we feel somewhat comfort when we feel the air. You might have felt, but you have never seen the air going inside the body. It was only the feeling that you feel at your skin, but you have not seen how much the energy you are receiving. Similarly, when the Reiki treatment is given by transfer of a power, it may be through hands, through third eye, through physical body, full body, depending upon the degree which a person has obtained, he can treat. Not only this, the person can be treated while sitting at Lucknow, Amritsar, London or anywhere in the world. This is a very powerful technique. It comprises of many symbols which are given by our Reiki gurus. And Dr. Mikausai, as I was saying, rediscovered this. He came to India and found many things, but ultimately he could not gather the information how the energy is transferred, how this power is taken. So he sat in meditation, the divine power directly given the power to him, the saying that now you have to spread this knowledge, this way in all houses, wherever it is possible. As you know, the gurus of different religions came, but whatever the duties were assigned to them, they performed. And it is said that Dr. Mikausai is just like our Guru, Lord Krishna. ये उनके अवतार थे. So he treated many persons. He got the attunement directly from the universe. And then Madam Takata, Dr. Shujaro, and many other people, he gave the treatment, and thereafter it was decided how to pass on this knowledge to these people. So they divided it into the degrees, first degree, second degree, third A, third B, and the Grand Master. What was the need of this? A guru gives his gati to his disciple in one stroke of time. Why it is necessary? Because we are Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar, medicinal effect on the body, thoughts, and I have seen in practical way that whenever the attunement is given to the people, some of the people, they get fainted. They cannot tolerate the power. They cannot tolerate the power